Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here, your broker and realtor. And today, let's talk about homeowners insurance and why it's more than just a box to check before closing. Your lender requires insurance to protect their interest, but the real value is in protecting yours. A solid policy covers fire, theft, and liability. But in California, you'll want to also review possible wildfire, earthquake, and flood coverage carefully, since those are often require separate policies and can be a little pricey. It's smart to review coverage limits annually, especially as rebuilding costs rise. Don't wait for disaster to find your gaps. Review, renew, and rest easy knowing that your home is protected. And this is your insurance safety tip from Good Morning California, and have a great rest of your day.